How to use AI in Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So nowadays, AI has been integrated in Google Drive and it can make your work a lot easier. Like if there is a file in a Google Drive, you can ask Gemini to search for the file, analyze the data, and it will give you answers within seconds. But unfortunately, it requires subscription. So what you need to do is go to your browser, head over to Google Drive, and you can see the Gemini, the star-like icon in the right-hand side beside your profile. If you tap on it and then tap on try it out, then this will take you to upgrade page. So you'll need to subscribe. You can subscribe for $4.99 per month, and then you can get Gemini in your Google Drive. So if you want the premium version, you can just try it out for free and then get it later. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.